Hi, this is Arun Kumar and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to review a monopod. This is a TELESIN monopod which can be used along with all varieties of action cameras. So it is having an action camera mount, and these are the accessories that come along with this monopod. It's having a screw, and this one comes free. It can be connected to a mini tripod. Also there is a mobile holder, and there's a clip for holding this mobile holder. Again, there is a tripod bottom which can be connected at the back side of this monopod. Now let us see how we can fix this. So this tripod is made of aluminium, and when you turn this anti-clockwise it will come up like this, and again if you turn it clockwise then it will get locked. So this is the total length. So there is a tripod bottom, it can be connected here. And there is a lock provided at the bottom. When you turn this anti-clockwise it gets locked, and you can hold it like this. Okay, now we can connect the DJI Osmo Action camera to this tripod. Okay, now this is connected. So they have provided a clip which can be connected here, and this can be locked. Now we can connect the camera mount here. Okay, now we can connect the DJI app. So this is now connected, and you can see the camera, whatever displayed in the DJI Osmo Action is shown in the mobile. So what you can do is you can just keep the mobile like this, keep the tripod like this, and you can start recording, or you can take photo, you can stop recording, and whatever you can do, you can just switch the video mode to photo and take photos like this. Okay, so that's all about the TELESIN monopod. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.